In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website using Updraft on Nexcess. First, let's start from your existing WordPress site. The initial step is to install the UpdraftPlus plugin if it's not already installed. You can do this by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, heading over to Plugins, and selecting Add New. Simply search for UpdraftPlus, install it, and activate the plugin. Now let's create a backup of your current site. Once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Settings section and then click on UpdraftPlus Backups. Within this panel, you'll find an option to create a backup manually. Go ahead and click on Backup Now, making sure to check all the boxes for files and the database. This ensures you capture every part of your website. Once the backup process is completed, move to the Existing Backups section. Here you will find the option to download the backup files. Make sure to download all necessary files to your computer as these are essential for securing and migrating your data. Next, it's time to set things up on your new Nexcess hosted WordPress site. Begin by logging into your Nexcess dashboard and initiating the creation of a new site. Choose a WordPress plan that meets your needs. The system will then automatically install WordPress for you. Once WordPress is ready, log into this new WordPress admin panel. Just like before, you need to install the UpdraftPlus plugin here as well. Navigate again to Plugins, click Add New, search for UpdraftPlus, install, and activate it. With the UpdraftPlus plugin active, it's time to upload the backup files you previously downloaded. In UpdraftPlus, go to Existing Backups and select the option to Upload Backups. Locate the backup files from your computer and upload them to your new site. Following the upload, it's crucial to restore the backup to replicate your old site on the new server. Choose Restore and select all components. Typically, these include the database, plugins, themes, and uploads. Start the restoration process and wait patiently until it's fully completed. Post-restoration, a few additional steps are necessary to ensure everything runs smoothly. Head to Settings, then Permalinks, and simply save the changes to fix any possible link issues. After that, visit your Nexcess temporary or main domain to verify that your website appears as expected. It's prudent to check the functionality of the site by confirming that all links, pages, and plugins are working correctly. Lastly, for enhanced security and performance, navigate back to the Nexcess dashboard, go to the SSL section, and enable the free Let's Encrypt feature. This step will help secure your site by encrypting data between the server and the browser. And that's it. Your website migration from one server to another using UpdraftPlus on Nexcess is now complete. Remember to periodically check your site and keep backups in case you need them in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in assisting you with your website migration process.